Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Scientists create a drink that cuts your blood alcohol level in half in 30 minutes. Japanese company is offering hangover leave to allow employees to recover after drinking. Men are the happiest when they are improving themselves physically and financially. An ideal man is a depressed man. Orange juice is 74% lemon juice with colors and flavors added. Foxes sleep in the open but curl up to stay warm. According to Oxford University, more words are misspelled than correctly spelled on the internet. The average cow is 11 feet tall. Mix lemon juice with sugar to scrub rough elbows or lips. It exfoliates and leaves the skin smooth and glowing. The Maldives is the flattest country in the world with an average altitude of 1.8 meters from the sea level. Before evolving bones and organs, humans were mostly hollow. The emerald basilisk looks like it belongs to the Jurassic era. The order of the alphabet was finalized until 1977. Researchers create washable smart shirt that tracks workouts using conductive thread. The Vikings invented chess to fill the time on long boat voyages. There is a sleep number bed for kids that keeps monsters away. The Sleep IQ has built-in lights under the bed, sensors that alert parents if kids get out of bed, a pulse monitor, and a companion app with a monster detector. How to roll a t-shirt to save space. Harry Truman wanted to join the Missouri Army National Guard in 1905, but his eyesight was too poor. After failing his first vision test, he secretly memorized the eye chart and passed on his next try. Unlike most predators, polar bears don't fear humans. If they're starving, they will stalk people across miles of ice and have been known to dig into cabins or tents to attack. The Herald of Free Enterprise capsized in 90 seconds in 1987. Hundreds drowned while still inside their cars or cabins, unaware anything was wrong until it was too late. In some Indian villages, leopards have taken children and even adults from doorsteps at night, leaving almost no trace until remains are found. The tendency among teenagers to stay up late and older people to rise early is a phenomenon known as chronotype diversity. Some suggest it has evolutionary roots in ensuring vigilance at all times. There is a town that's been burning since 1962. Centralia, Pennsylvania was abandoned after a coal mine fire ignited underground and has been burning ever since. The ground is still hot and smoke rises from cracks in the earth. The transorbital lobotomy, also known as the ice pick lobotomy, was performed on thousands, sometimes in just minutes, to cure everything from anxiety to depression, often leaving patients permanently damaged. Since 1997, a group of craftsmen has been constructing a medieval-style castle in France from scratch, using only 13th century techniques, tools and materials as parts of an ongoing experimental archaeology with an estimated completion date set for 2030. The earth can literally vanish beneath. Your sinkholes are often caused by groundwater eroding limestone underground. You could be walking on solid ground 1 minute and fall into a collapsing void the next. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, people could be institutionalized for things like reading too much, hysteria, disobedience, or even menstruation. Some were sent in by family and never let out. In many sinkings, electricity fails immediately, plunging everything into total darkness. Combine that with chaos and rising water, and even experienced sailors become disoriented and trapped. People with epilepsy, autism, or physical disabilities were often thrown into asylums alongside the mentally ill and subjected to the same horrific treatments. Florida has a sinkhole alley. Certain parts of central Florida experience hundreds of sinkholes every year. In 2013, a man was swallowed alive in his bedroom when one opened beneath his house in Seffner. Lake Lanier in Georgia has a dark reputation built over a submerged town. The lake has unusually high numbers of drownings and boating accidents. Some believe it's cursed by the displaced spirits beneath it. Sharpen your mind. Mind diet. Curiosity muscle. Silent time.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to
Think backward.
hold close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed.
Challenge comfort.
Pass from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground.
Connect with diverse minds.
Gravity, it keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die.
Thanks for watching.